create this tasty morning meal for one, we're using a spicy Mexican sausage, a few eggs and tortilla. We've chosen fresh pecorino, but any cheese will do. You also need a touch of cream. A few basic ingredients are required to prepare a fresh salsa, and of course don't forget a little chili. The first step in making this hearty Mexican breakfast is to prepare a fresh tomato salsa. Remove the stalk from the tomato, cut it in half, then dice both halves. Do the same with the rest of your tomatoes and put them into a bowl. Take a large red onion, cut it in half, peel it, and then dice this also. Add the onion to the tomato. Next, cut a small section from a cucumber and using a potato peeler, carefully peel the cucumber. Then slice it lengthwise a few times and then into small cubes. Add the diced cucumber to the bowl. Grab a bunch of coriander, then take a few sprigs, fold them in half and roughly chop them. Place these on top of the other salsa ingredients.
Now that's it for the salsa. Now we're gonna do is grab a bit of olive oil. Then we are seasoning it with a bit of salt and cracked pepper. And the following thing you do, just mix it up.
Give the salsa a good mix and put it to one side. Now, to get going with the main breakfast. Slice a spicy Mexican sausage into small pieces. Then place the sausage onto a small round baking tray that has been covered with silver foil. Pop the sausage into a preheated oven at around 180 degrees. Next, take 2 tortillas and place these onto a similar foil-covered baking tray. Slice off some generous portions of cheese. We're using pecorino and place them on top of the tortilla.
The last thing we need to do is just make some scrambled eggs. So pour about 3 eggs, season it with salt and pepper, a bit of cream, and we get a bit of parsley. Now we can do a bit of chili. And now we give the eggs a very good mix. Now we're ready for cooking.
Just before you start cooking, you should place the tortilla into the hot oven alongside the sausage. Heat a frying pan to a moderate temperature, then pour in some olive oil and then fry your salsa till the tomato begins to cook through. When ready, put aside for a little later. To the same saucepan, add a wedge of butter and once this is melted, pour in your scrambled egg mixture. Mix the eggs well with a spatula and keep an eye on them. They will cook quickly. By now, your sausage and tortilla should be ready to go, so carefully remove them from the oven. To serve, place your scrambled eggs over the bread and liberally cover the egg with slices of sausage. Finally, pour the salsa over everything. Huevos Rancheros, a hearty breakfast straight from the country kitchens of Mexico that will satisfy everyone, no matter where they are.